Today we're solving 2022 AMC 10A, Problem 12 and Problem 13. Let's start with Problem 12. On Halloween, 31 children walked into the principal's office asking for candy. They can be classified into three types. Some always lie, some always tell the truth, and some alternately lie and tell the truth. The alternators arbitrarily choose their first response, either a lie or the truth, but each subsequent statement has the opposite truth value from its predecessor. The principal asked everyone the same three questions in this order. Are you a truth teller? The principal gave a piece of candy to each of the 22 children who answered yes. Are you an alternator? The principal gave a piece of candy to each of the 15 children who answered yes. Are you a liar? The principal gave a piece of candy to each of the 9 children who answered yes. How many pieces of candy in all did the principal give to the children who always tell the truth? All right here. So let's just see this first constraint. Are you a truth teller? 22 children answered yes. So that includes the truth tellers, the liars, and the alternators. Now, they can be like lying or telling the truth, but so basically, let's just consider this. They choose like they choose like a random answer. If they're a truth teller, they have to be lying because they're an alternator. This is 22 children. Now, are you an alternator? The principal gave a piece of candy to each of the 15 children who answered yes. So obviously the truth tellers would be left out of that 52 people. That leaves, well, the liars plus, I guess, the alternators. But since they lied here, they have to tell the truth here. Since each answer they give has to be like the opposite from the one before in the two groups, yes or no. This is equal to 15 people. These two things are the same group, so when we just subtract 15 from 22, we will already get our answer. 22 minus 15, this is 7. And you can check that this is correct, but we have found how many truth tellers there are. Alright, moving on to problem 13. Let triangle ABC be a scalene triangle. Point P lines on line BC, so the line ABP bisects angle BAC. The line through B perpendicular to line AP intersects the line through a parallel to line BC at point D. Suppose line BP is 2 and line BC is 3. What is AD? So what I have here is we have drawn our triangle here. Let's just take a look at it for a few moments. So once we've looked at this, we can like kind of we can notice here that we drew this so that it met all the requirements. These are both right angles. So these have the same angle. These two triangles here, they both share the same line, and these angles too are also equal. So therefore, they are congruent by angle, side, angle. Now that we know that they are congruent, we can like state ratios. This is 2, so this side has to be 2 of something. Let's just call that x. Similar here. This whole line here has to be, well, 3x, but since this is congruent, this has to be 2x. There has to be an x here to add up to the 3x. Now we actually notice one of the ratios here is actually going to help us to find it. We have this longer measurement here, 2x, that's part of the bigger triangle, and the smaller measurement that's for the smaller triangle, x. Well, the ratio to that, x over 2x is simply 1/2. So we know the ratio of this giant side. Well, yeah, we know the ratios now. This giant side to the smaller side is 1/2. So line BC over line AD is 1/2, ratio 1/2. Since we know that line BC is 5 times 2 will yield our answer, which is 10. So we, in fact, know AD. So basically, what you all need to do here is get the graph right and have the right thinking, and you will probably, most likely, get the correct answer.